some are invertebrate. It means some organisms have bone and some don't have bone. So insects are put on the category they don't have bones. So we can say that insects are invertebrate and their body covered with hard shell. Um, have you ever seen in your have you ever seen around your house and in your garden there are hundreds of different kind of species are present. Species mean kinds of insect. Not only one or three kinds of insects are present. There are more than 1 million different kinds of species are present in the world. I repeat again, there are 1 million different kind of species in the world. So I repeat again about insects. Insect get their name. Insect get their name because their body are divided in sections. They have three parts. So these things is common in all kind of insects. All kind of insects, their body divided in three parts. Number one, head. Number two, um, thorax, and three abdomen. So few characters are common in all insects. So what are insects? Insects are invertebrate because they don't have bones, and these characteristics are common in all kind of insects. So insects are found just not only in your house. It is found anywhere, like mud, tree, plants, anywhere they are found. So I repeat again, what are insects? Insects are very small animals in the world. I repeat again, insects are very small animal or very small creature in the world. They are invertebrate. Invertebrate means they don't have bones. So this characteristic is similar in all kind of insects. Um, and there are different varieties of insects are present in the world. 1 million different kind of species are present in the world. So just not only one or two kind of species. There are different 1 million different kinds of insects in the world. So I repeat again, insect get their name because their body divide in three parts. On the division of three parts, insect get their name. Insects are invertebrate because they don't have bone and their body covered with hard shell. And they have a hard shell, so we use the term exoskeleton. That means their body covered with hard shell. If their body are soft, so they are not insects. If they have bones, so they are not included in the category of insects. So few characteristics are common in all kind of insects. Number one common characteristic, they don't have bones and they have hard shell. And the third characteristic, their body divided into three parts. So um, these are the characteristics about insects. One more thing I share about insects. So insects in the world, all living thing need food, air, water. So like that, insects also need air, food, and water. Insects are need water, air, food to life as like as human being. So insects are a very small animal with a hard covering body. And insects are so distributed in the world, we can see in everywhere on our planet. So you can note down the definition about insects. Okay, what are insects? So insects are very small creature. They don't have bone and they have hard shell body out. They have hard outside body. You can see on your screen there are different kind of insects. So they are different from each other. You can see they are different from each other because they are different from size, shape, color. I repeat again, they are different from shape, size, color. You can see that this is caterpillar. It has green color. This is butterfly, grasshopper. They are different from each other due to their size, shape, and color. But few things are common in all kind of insects, like their body divided into three parts, like head, this is common in all insect; thorax, this common in all insect; abdomen, this common in all insects. So insect get their name because their body divided into three parts. You ever seen around your house and your garden there are hundred of different kind of insects, so they are different from each other. Mostly in our house we see flies, so flies are also insect. And in daily basis in our house we see cockroaches, so cockroaches is also a insect. But um, if we talk about spider, we also see in our home. So, what do you think about spider are insects? Spider are not insect because I told you insects. Main characteristic is that their body divided into three parts. If and any small organism or any small creature, their body divided into two, four, or eight parts, so they are not insects. So spider body divided into two parts. Spider not include in the category of insects. I repeat again, spider body divided into two parts, while insect body divided into three parts. Please that thing keep in your mind. Insect body divided into three parts. If any small animals body divided into two, four, eight parts, so they are not included in the category of insects. So spider are not insect. We don't say that spider are insect because spider body divided into two parts. And one more thing common, and insects have three pair of legs. You can see this beetle, they have three pairs of insects and six legs. One means one, two, three, four, five, six. All insects have six legs, and spider have eight legs. That's why spider are not insects. And those small animals, they have pair of legs, mean six legs, so they are called insects. So that's why spider are not insects. There are some common insects you can see in your screen, like butterfly, housefly, dragonfly, ant, cockroaches, mosquito, cricket, ladybug, caterpillar, bee, honeybee. These are the common. They are common insects. Some insects are harmful for us, and some insects are beneficial for us. Like this bee, honeybee. If we talk about honeybee, so honeybee are beneficial for us because they give us honey. Or some insects are fly, and some can walk. Like this is butterfly. They can fly, and this is ant. They don't fly. They can just walk. Some insect can fly, or some can just only jump or walk. So some insects don't have wing. They can just only walk and jump. For example, ant. Ant the best example. Example, because they can walk and jump, or like that this butterfly, they have wings so they can fly. But if I talk about ants, so they don't have wings, so they don't fly. They can just only walk, like caterpillar. They also can walk. They don't, because they don't have wings, so they don't fly. Like dragonfly, fly. So on this basis, we can categorize into categories, like some can fly and some don't. Some can just only walk and jump. So. Cockroaches, fly, honeybee, butterfly, grasshopper, they can fly because they have wings, like ladybird, ant, caterpillar. They don't fly. They just can only walk because they don't have wings. I repeat again about insects. What are insects? So insects are invertebrate. They don't have bones. They have a hard body structure. Their body divided into three parts. Uh, Number one part head, number two thorax, and number three abdomen. Or one more thing, some insects have antenna and some don't have antenna, and the common thing is that all insects have two eyes. Okay, all insects have two eyes and three pairs of legs. Three pairs of legs mean six legs and two wings. But wings are present, sometimes present. Wings, some have wings and some don't have wings. But the common characteristic, keep in your mind, body divided into three sections, and some have all insects have eye and three pair of legs. These are common in all insects. All insects have an exoskeleton. Exoskeleton means their body covered with hard shell. I repeat again, all insects have an exoskeleton. That means their body covered with hard shell. Now, next characteristic I already told you. They have three main body parts. Number one, thorax, abdomen, and head. This is head. The center part is thorax, and the last part is abdomen. So these three main parts are common in all kind of insects. And now you can see third point, so insects also have a pair of antenna on the top of their head. But some insects have antenna and some don't have antenna. So uh, we can also use the word for antenna as filler. अ, हम एंटीना भी कह सकते हैं और हम फिलर्स भी कह सकते हैं. So the function of filler is, um, or we can say that the function of antenna is, by antenna they can feel anything and they can smell anything. ठीक है, तो एंटीना का फंक्शन क्या है कि किसी भी चीज को फील कर सकते हैं और किसी भी चीज को स्मेल कर सकते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ एंटीना. So the next thing is insects have compound eye. Means all insects have two eye, three pair of legs. Means three pair of legs mean um, six legs, and and many have two pair of wings, but not an all. So on this basis, we categorize the insects. जैसे कि uh, all insects body divide three parts, but some have antenna and some don't have antenna. Some have wings, but not all insects have wings. And but the common thing is that their body divided into three parts, and they have two eyes and three pair of legs. This is thing is common in all insects. So this is the characteristic about insect. You can also note down in your rough copy and you can also take picture. There is a diagram of typical insect. This is the common insect. This is fly, and on your screen and also in your book at page number 16. Open page number 16. You can also see this diagram and you can also see this diagram on your screen. So I already told you about typical insects. So head, thorax and abdomen. These three things are common in all type of insects. This is head, this is thorax, and the last part is abdomen. So these three things are common in all kind of insects. Birds, wings present in some insects and absent in some insects, because by wings they can fly. But if I take example of ants, so they don't have wings, they can just only walk or jump, and this is the common thing, three pair of insects. So on this category we can identify this is insects. If I talk about again scorpion, so scorpion are not insect because their body divided into three parts, and insect body divided into uh, three parts. Okay, one more thing. Insects have wings so they can fly. So why they don't put in the category of bird? Because they don't put in the category of bird because insects are invertebrate and birds are vertebrate. Mean birds have bone and insect don't have bone. So flying insects we categorize uh, in the group of insects. So this is the typical insect. Okay. I hope you will understand what I want to say. Now I move on further slide. This next slide. Okay. I will give you the example of those insect. They can fly and they some don't have fly. They some can fly and some cannot fly. Like this butterfly. Butterfly are the example of insect. Those insects they have wings and they can fly. And ant don't have wings. They can just only walk and jump. So some insects have wings and some insects don't have wings. So it is not possible all kind of insects have wings. So some have wings are present and some don't. But I repeat again, but few things are common. That is their body divided into. So wings is not a common characteristic all kind of insect. The common characteristic is I already told you about the body divided into three parts. Okay, and the three pair of legs means six legs and two eyes. Do you know about what do insect eat? So it is not possible all insect eat just only one kind of insect. There are different varieties of insects are present in the world and they like to eat different things. Some insects like eat plant, some insects suck animal blood like flies, some animal like to eat seed, some animal like to eat paper, some animal like to eat other bugs, some uh, some insects like to suck to juice from nectars, and some insects like to eat fruit. So their eating choice are different from each other. Like that, their appearance are different from each other. So they just like their eating choice are different from each other. Different insects like to eat different things. I repeat again, some insects like to eat plant, some insects like to suck animal blood, some insects like to eat seed, some insects like to eat paper. Some insects like to eat other insects, and some insects like to suck juice from nectars like butterfly, and some insects like to eat fruit. Fruit fly like to eat fruit. So this is about the eating choice of insects. Know about the difference between insects and birds. Some insects have wings, but we don't put in the category of bird. Why? Because we don't put in the category of bird because the birds are vertebrate. I repeat again, birds are vertebrate, and you know that insects are invertebrate. So, uh, the examples of flying animals are bee, honeybee, beetle, flies. They can fly because they have wings, but we don't put in the category of bird. I repeat again, because insect don't have bones or bird have bones. So the difference between birds or insect is that birds are vertebrate and insects are invertebrate. And you can see the another definition of chitin. So do you know about what is chitin? So you know about that they don't have bones. So they don't have bones. For their support and protection, their body covered with hard shell, and the covering of hard shell is called chitin. You can note down the definition of chitin in your copy. I repeat again, you can note down the definition of chitin in your copy. A hard covering shell of insect body are called chitin. I repeat again, a hard covering shell. I repeat again, a hard covering shell of insect's body are called chitin. I repeat again the definition of chitin. The definition of chitin is a hard covering shell of insect body are called chitin. So the I repeat again the difference between birds and insect. The common difference between bird and insect: bird have bones and insect don't have backbone. Okay, they are invertebrate and birds are vertebrates. And I also repeat again the definition of chitin. Please note down this definition: a hard covering shell of insect body or called chitin. I repeat again the definition of chitin: a hard covering shell of insect body or called chitin. Okay, uh, listen to me carefully. This is your today homework. Do book exercise on page number 18. Do book exercise on पेज नंबर 18. ये आप पेज नंबर 18 पर आपके पास ये बुक एक्सरसाइज है और आपने ये बुक एक्सरसाइज बुक में ही सॉल्व करनी है. आई रिपीट अगेन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. डू बुक एक्सरसाइज ऑन पेज नंबर 18. पेज नंबर 18 की एक्सरसाइज जिसमें आप फिल द ब्लैंक्स देख सकते हैं. मेक अ फैक्ट फाइल ऑन इंसेक्ट लाइक वन बिलो. What all insect have? Mean all insect have antenna, wings, legs. Anything you can note down. Some common insect you can note down the name of insect like fly and insect causing harm. So there is you can put the example of harmful insect like flies, also a harmful insect for us, and the insect diet. Some insect like to eat plant nectar. I already share with you about the diet of insect. And the question number 6, label the part of insect shown on the diagram. सो ये बुक एक्सरसाइज आपको पेज नंबर 18 पे करनी है. आई होप आप सब समझ गए होंगे कि ये बुक एक्सरसाइज पेज नंबर 18 आज का आपका होमवर्क है जो आपने बुक में कर लिया है. स्टूडेंट, कल आपको डिफिकल्टी हुई थी थोड़ा सा प्रीवियस जो मैंने आपको यूनिट नंबर 2 टीच किया था उसके अबाउट होमवर्क के. सो टुडे you can note down the homework of related to food chain and also take the picture. Okay, I repeat again, students, ये कल का आपका होमवर्क है related to the food chain जिसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. होम टास्क फॉर फूड चेन. आई रिपीट अगेन, ये कल का प्रीवियस होमवर्क है जिसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, तो आप आज नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं फूड चेन का होमवर्क. आई रिपीट अगेन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मेक अ माइंड मैप ऑन फूड चेन 8 पॉइंट. जैसे आपको माइंड मैप ड्रॉ करना है 8 पॉइंट का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मेक फैक्ट फाइल ऑन कंज्यूमर एनिमल. प्लीज आप इसके साथ के साथ पिक्चर लेते जाएं ताकि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. काइंडली आई रिपीट अगेन, टेक पिक्चर ऑफ दिस होमवर्क रिलेटेड टू फूड चेन. Question number 3, write 3 difference between consumer and decomposer. Question number 4, write a note on producer 4 point. And homework should be done in your science fair copy. प्लीज ये आप कैप्चर कर लें, पिक्चर ले लें इसकी, ताकि आपको कल की होमवर्क के अबाउट कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. और एक बस एक चीज, अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग, आपको कल क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के अबाउट प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी मेक फैक्ट फाइल ऑन कंज्यूमर एनिमल की. ये फैक्ट फाइल कंज्यूमर एनिमल क्या है और किस तरह बनानी है. तो आपने जो कंज्यूमर एनिमल्स इंक्लूड है हर्बीवोर, कार्निवोर, ओमनिवोर, स्कैवेंजर, तो उनके बारे में 3 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लिखने हैं लाइक दैट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फैक्ट फाइल अबाउट कंज्यूमर एनिमल. हर्बीवोर, इसमें हर्बीवोर से रिलेटेड उनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लिखे हुए आप देख सकते हैं. इसको नोट डाउन कर लें या इसकी पिक्चर ले लें. एक एक मिनट के बाद चेंज कर. ये वो क्वेश्चन है फूड चेन से रिलेटेड जिसमें आपको कल डिफिकल्टी हो रही थी. I hope you will take picture of this slide. This about carnivore animals, and this is about omnivore animals, and this is about scavenger. Okay.